Sometimes you may need to reset your Windows 11 computer due to some unavoidable situation. To reset, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Windows Update, then click on Advanced Options. Scroll down. There you will find Recovery. Click on Recovery and then click on Reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Click on Reset PC. Here you will find two options. One, keep my files, and it will remove apps but keeps your personal files. Another one is remove everything. It will remove apps and setting also. Select your suitable option and do not power off your computer and do not disconnect internet. I'm selecting keep my files, and here you will find two options: local reinstall and cloud download. Download and reinstall Windows. I recommend you to select cloud download, and you need to ensure that your computer have internet access and then select cloud download. In this way you can reset your Windows 11 computer as a fresh new one.